Chapter 4. 4.0 System Design. Part 21 4.2.2 Input Design. In this part we still focusing on the system design which lies in Chapter 4. Earlier on we covered output design in previous video, that is part 20 of the video series. If you missed, check it up. In this section we looking at the input design as a subsection in system design. You will recall system design is further broken down into output design, process design, input design, files and data stores design, and hardware and software requirements. The order doesn't really matter when looking at the physical design. 4.2.2 Input Design. Input design refers to the design of the system's input, including the data that users input into the system. This involves determining the types of data that the system will require, how the data will be collected, and how it will be validated and verified to ensure accuracy. Through input design we identify the layout or format of input, i.e., what type of forms to create. Input design focuses on the process of collecting data from the user and ensuring that it is accurately entered into the system. Furthermore, input design involves designing the 1. Data entry forms 2. Screen layouts 3. And data validation rules. The objective of input design is to ensure that the data entered into the system is 1. Accurate, 2. Complete, and 3. Consistent. Examples of inputs include 1. Forms, 2. Screens, and 3. Data entry devices such as barcode scanners or keyboards. For example, in the proposed computerized Maringo Sports Club system, the input design could include a member registration form that collects information such as name, address, and contact details. The design would consider how the data is collected, such as through an online form or in person at the club, and how it will be validated to ensure that all required information is provided and is accurate. 4.2.2 Input Design. User interfaces in form of data entry forms or screens should be designed. The forms for data entry should be clearly captioned, easy to use, attractive and consistent. Some of the forms needed for Bukuma system are invoice processing entry form, products entry form, customer entry form, pay voucher processing entry form, suppliers entry form, and transporters entry form. 4.2.2 Input Design. Sample 1. Case Study 1. Some of the forms needed for Bukuma system are I. Invoice processing entry form E. Products entry form E. Customer entry form IV. Pay voucher processing entry form V. Suppliers entry form V. Transporters entry form. Products entry form. It should allow the user to enter or view products. It has the following controls: product ID, quantity per unit, product name, selling price, supplier, purchase price, category, unit in stock, customers entry form. This is a columnar form with the following controls: customer ID, telephone, company name, region, contact name, city, contact title, country, address. Invoice processing entry form. This is a compound form used to enter customer details in the main form and the items purchased in the product's subform. Pay voucher processing entry form. This is a compound form that allows the user to enter supplier's details in the main form and the items delivered in the product's subform. Supplier's entry form. It has 2 tabs, a company information tab and a contact information tab. Company info tab, contact info tab, supplier ID, address, company name, country, contact name, city, contact title, region, postal code, telephone, fax. Transporter's entry form. Entry form for companies offering transport services to Bukuma may have the following controls: freight number, company name, postal address, physical address, vessel name, phone. 4.2.2 Input Design. Sample 2. Case Study 1. Horizon Motors Company Limited, HMC, a dealer in sales of new and used vehicles. Due unprecedented company growth in the past 2 years, it has become very hard to track customer orders and sales, resulting to inefficiency, customers' disappointment, and conflicts between staff and management. To reverse the situation and enhance the company's dwindling sales, the board of directors has recommended computerization of HMC key operations with immediate effect. 4.2.2 Input Design. Sample 2. Some examples of data entry forms needed for this system include vehicles, customers, billing, and staff details entry forms. In this section, we document just a few. New vehicles form. The vehicles form is used to update vehicles inventory. The vehicle-specific details are entered into the system database using the form shown in Figure 4.8. New vehicles form. Orders form. Customer order form shown in Figure 4.9 is used to process customer orders for a specific vehicle. Customer details form. Since the fields for the customers are many for a single form, a tabbed form will be used to enter customers' personal and contacts as shown in Figure 4.10. Customer details form. Billing form. Billing form shown in Figure 4.11 is intended to be a compound form, used to enter customer transaction details for the units purchased. Billing form. Sample 3. Maringo Sports Club System Input Design. Introductory Comments 1. 3.2.3 Input Design. Users will input data into the system through forms and user interfaces. The input fields will be validated to prevent errors and ensure data accuracy. Users will be required to provide necessary information such as 1. Personal details, 2. Game preferences, and 3. Financial transactions. Sample 3. Maringo Sports Club System Input Design. Introductory Comments 2. 3.2.3 Input Design. The input design of the Maringo Sports Club system should be designed to ensure accurate and efficient data entry. The input design should be user-friendly and intuitive to facilitate easy data entry. Some of the input forms that can be created in the system include 1. Membership Registration Form 2. Membership Fees Form 3. Sports Offered Form 4. Patrons Entry Form 5. Item Purchase Form 6. Facilitation Fees Form 7. Equipment Borrowing Form. This are a few samples of the form designed for Maringo Input Design. Maringo Sports Club. Member Registration Form. Member ID. SNAME. FNAME. MNAME. Contact. Gender. Age in years. Membership type. Group name. Special need. Save record. Add new. Record. Previous. Record. Delete. Record. Close. Form. Membership registration form. This form should capture the personal information, interests, and special needs of the members. Maringo Sports Club. Membership Fees Form. Fees ID. Member ID. Payment date. Payment amount. Save record. Add new. Record. Previous. Record. Delete. Record. Close. Form. Membership Fees Form. This form should capture the details of membership fees, date and amounts. Maringo Sports Club. Sports Form. Sport ID. Sport Name. Patron ID. Patron Name. Save record. Add new. Record. Previous. Record. Delete. Record. Close. Form. Sports Form. This form should capture the details of the sports offered in Maringo Sports Club. Maringo Sports Club. Store Item Entry Form. Item ID. Item Name. Unit Cost. Quantity. Stock Level. Discount Percentage. Save Record. Add New. Record. Previous. Record. Delete. Record. Close. Form. Store Item Entry Form. This form should capture the details of the items sold at the store, including their prices and the current stock levels. Maringo Sports Club. Store Equipment Form. Equipment ID. Equipment Name. Description. Quantity. Unit Cost. Stock Level. Save Record. Add New. Record. Previous. Record. Delete. Record. close, form, store equipment entry form. This form should capture details of all the equipment in the store. Maringo Sports Club, events entry form, event ID, event name, event date, patron ID, facilitation fee, event type, save record, add new, record, previous, record, delete, record, close, form, events entry form. This form should capture details of all the events organized by the club. Maringo Sports Club, item purchase form, purchase ID, member ID, item name, quantity, discount, total amount, purchase date, save record, add new, record, previous, record, delete, record, close, form, item purchase form. This form should capture the purchases made by the members at the club stores. Maringo Sports Club, facilitation fees entry form, facilitation ID, sport ID, patron ID, team captain ID, facilitation date, facilitation fee, save record, add new, record, previous, record, delete, record, close, form, facilitation fees form. This form should capture the facilitation fees made by the members. Maringo Sports Club, equipment borrowed form, equipment ID, member ID, equipment name, quantity, borrow date, returned, returned, save record, add new, record, previous, record, delete, record, close, form, equipment borrowed form. This form should capture the equipment borrowed by the members at the club stores. Financial transaction form. This form should capture details of all the financial transactions of the club, including membership fees, store sales, and facilitation fees. This can also be displayed using graphs and charts, which makes it more attractive and easy to understand. The end. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 22 on the system design, specifically file and data stores designs or table design. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if the video was helpful to get notifications once we upload more videos on Maringo Sports Club.